So we also know her that kind of nature, she's a very fun-loving person. If you will see her in front of teachers and stuff, she'll be like the most disciplined, the most attentive girl, the most dean daughter behavior she can give, she give it, right?
Probably some people assume that I might have ego, a lot of ego.
Yeah.
But हाँ, तो लोग ऐसे assumptions लेके चलते हैं काफी कि हाँ इनका तो क्या ही है, इनके पास सभी है, तो इनको करना ही क्या है, like achieve ही करना क्या है.
So, but obviously, like an advocate, she also has her own struggles, guys. Come on.
I have a lot of struggle.
Yeah, she has more cons to say.
ऐसे बोलते हैं ना लोग कि बहुत फायदे हैं, ऐसे हैं, वैसे हैं. तो आप खुद भी एक बार सोच के देखिए, ऐसे ज्यादा फायदे तो मेरे को नहीं दिखते हैं.
नुकसान भी है.
नुकसान बहुत ज्यादा है. I cry on my birthdays. I am that kind of.
You cry on your
I
birthday?
cry on my birthdays. I'm that kind of a girl.
Why do you cry on your birthday, bro? Do you expect somebody's wish who doesn't wish you?
No,
Him or her?
nah, nothing like that.
Then what is it?
जिनके विश चाहिए उनके आते रहते हैं.
Hello everyone, this is me Palak Jhodad on another episode of Palak Jhodad Dante Talk. So guys, today we have a special guest with us who is a very dear friend, very calm and composed person, my debate partner, and the daughter of our college dean. So guys, please welcome Shreya Meshram on our episode.
Hi everyone.
Thank you Shreya for being on Palak Jhodad Dante Talk. Thank you so much.
Privileged to be here. Thank you so much that you called.
Yeah. So let's start by knowing how do you feel to be on the podcast, and yeah, let's just know this. How are you, first of all?
I am great. बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है सब. नया साल अच्छा चल रहा है.
Okay.
That's good. I feel a bit nervous to be on the podcast, to be honest.
Oh my god.
But yeah, something new. So
Okay, so you're ready, but
yeah, ready. Yes, anytime.
okay.
आपने बुलाया और हम नहीं आए तो ऐसे थोड़ी होता है.
Yeah, that's what friends do, guys. Okay, Shreya, let's start by knowing the most discussed topic in the batch, which is you being the daughter of the dean of our college, as well as her mother is HOD of Gynec department. So both her parents are in the college at a prestigious position. That's a great thing, though. But we all know that you are being poked about about some of the things, having the pros of being having your parents in the college. Yeah. So they are on their side, okay, we know. But let's discuss about the cons today. Okay. So let's decide. Do you want to revise the pros only, or should we go for the cons itself?
I think I'll talk about everything.
Both the
So,
things.
yeah, it might be mixed, sometimes pros, sometimes cons, pros and cons.
Okay.
It really depends. So firstly, it's like this college has always been like a home to me.
Yeah.
Like घर जैसा ही लगता है मेरे को, कुछ अलग लगता ही नहीं है. क्योंकि मैं बचपन से इधर ही आते आ रही हूँ. मतलब मेरे पापा की पोस्टिंग पहले यही पे थी. फिर हमारी पोस्टिंग फिर मम्मी की यहाँ पे शिफ्ट हुई.
Okay.
So it's always been home to me, Shirwar, as a place. I've grown up here for a few days. So it never feels different. Everybody in the college knows me, like A to Z, सबको पता है कि हाँ ये इनकी बेटी है, ऐसे वैसे. तो हाँ ऐसा लगता है कि 24/7 you have been like watched and judged.
Right.
That feels somewhat like that. And it's the truth also, मतलब जब भी आप आ रहे हो, जा रहे हो, suppose even आप खाना खाने जा रहे हो, तो इट्स लाइक हाँ सब लोग देखते हैं और कहो ना कहो सब लोग जज करते ही है एट द एंड ऑफ द डे.
Right.
तो हाँ वो भी एक कौन ही मान सकते हो कि आपको एक सर्टेन बिहेवियर में रहना पड़ता है. लाइक यू कांट रियली बी टू ओपन अबाउट थिंग्स. ऐसे बहुत कम लोग हैं एक्चुअली कॉलेज में जिनसे मैं खुले मन से बात कर पाती हूँ. एंड पल्लव इज एक्चुअली वन ऑफ देम. और मेरे रूममेट्स जो है, those are one of them. And
because you guys, Shreya has that kind of personality, and just because she mentioned this, that she's open to some of the people only, and we are one of them. So we also know her that kind of nature, like she's a very fun-loving person. If you will see her in front of teachers and stuff, she'll be like the most disciplined, the most attentive girl, the most dean daughter behavior she can give, she give it, right? But with us, we know, like we have been on trips and stuff, so we know how fun she can be to be with, right? She can be funny. She can, do great gossips and all. We love being around her.
Everybody likes gossip.
Yeah,
There's
and
like no person who doesn't like
of
gossip.
course,
Yeah.
and that's a part of our life. Obviously, we should enjoy that. But I'm saying that she never makes us feel like she's someone different or someone special among us, right? She just be a friend among us. So
I
that's,
try to keep that every time.
yeah, and that's the best, behavior which makes us be comfortable around her too.
इनफैक्ट मैंने किसी को जब स्टार्टिंग में हमारे ऑनलाइन क्लास लगते थे आई नेवर रियली टोल्ड एनीवन फ्रॉम माई सेल्फ that I am this daughter or I have this
true.
family name. I never told it. Or everybody just figured it out somehow.
Right, we
Yeah.
came to know when I came back to college. In the first year I wasn't aware of this fact. In second year I came to know that
I never really try to show these things. So I feel like it's better if it's not known.
Right.
Like know me for me, not being.
So that's a grounded thing, no?
Yeah.
You don't flaunt being that. So that's a great and grounding personality of yours described here. Okay, so first of all, let's know how, like, what was the age when you first came to this college? How small you was back then?
So I think first time I came in second grade, second or maybe first standard end होता है ना जब तब आए थे
First time.
तब आए थे क्योंकि तब पापा का ट्रांसफर यहाँ पे हुआ था तो
Okay.
तब हम आए थे तो हाँ तब तो काफी अलग था कॉलेज पुराना कैंपस था ओल्ड कैंपस था न्यू कैंपस बना नहीं था तब
अच्छा.
There was old campus. I was like, at that time it was like my parents' office. So it used to be fun,
Right. It wasn't your college.
Yeah, it wasn't my college back then. It was like some place where I'll get food and everybody will give me chocolates and everybody will
Pamper
be like,
you.
yeah, it was like a pampering session for me.
Okay.
Now it's a different though.
Now it has been
Now
totally
it's very
different.
different.
That's true. You are in different perspective totally.
Yeah.
Okay, so moving on with that, let's know, like, obviously this question is very normal to be asked from you. You might be tired of answering it, but let's do it one last time.
Okay.
Okay, so let us know, Shreya, like, do you feel like the academic resources or mentorship you are being offered, being a daughter of two professors?
Yeah.
So is it true? Do you get that kind of resources and mentorship benefits and stuff?
See, okay, I want to be very clear on this topic. There's nothing to hide.
True.
So, yes, of course, every professor in the college knows me. And when you're somebody's, my father is from the medicine department and my mother is from the gynec department.
Yeah.
So, they are pretty much at the top of their fields.
Yeah.
So, everybody has this expectancy, I assume, that, she might be knowing things. Even when I go to clinic, and work there, when how PG seniors या फिर teachers help करते हैं ना कि ये ऐसा होता है, ये ऐसे चीजें हैं. So they assume that I might already be knowing these things. Okay. So yeah, these are the sort of things जो लोग कहते हैं. But in the end, even I'm a student. Okay, I'm in learning phase.
Yeah.
So yep. So I have to learn things. So that.
But does, like, you are offered, like, this would come in the pros section, right?
Yeah.
Like, do you get the benefits of, like, mentorship? Like, some teachers give you a kind of mentoring which not every student in the classroom, teachers don't have time also to mentor every one of them. But individually, like, do you get that kind of preference? Academically or even in career wise, although we all can reach teachers, they are helpful to all of us.
No, nothing special like that I get. But yes, if I am interested in a subject, like I was interested in surgical aspects of thing.
Okay.
So yeah, I used to approach teachers and they used to help me. So I don't think that's anything special.
Yeah, approaching is something if I were to do I would also get
Yeah.
that kind of benefit.
So I don't think there's any benefit as such, but I think there are more cons to this than there are more pros. As I said earlier, that people assume things that I might be knowing this, or this is such a basic thing, like this is to be done this way. Like maybe because I have been doing this, they assume that I've been doing clinic since I was like probably like
you first
like
class.
like first year. But that's not true. I mean, I have been doing clinics, but not
Okay.
so much. So yeah, there's no special benefit as such. Okay, they're teachers, so they're gonna treat everybody the same. Is
Right.
what I feel. But हाँ, थोड़ा फर्क तो पड़ता है कि I am थोड़ा फर्क तो पड़ता है.
हाँ मतलब थोड़ा सा तो मतलब पड़ेगा भी ना ऑब्वियसली.
वो तो ऑब्वियसली बात है कि हाँ
मतलब वो टीचर्स की पेरेंट्स की रिस्पेक्ट की वजह से ही सही है जो भी है, बट इट इट इज
वो
डिफरेंट.
डिनाई नहीं कर सकते, थोड़ा फर्क तो पड़ता है.
ओके, पॉजिटिवली अगर अपन ले तो क्या तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स का तुम्हारे आसपास होने से डज इट मोटिवेट यू लाइक प्रोफेशनली इन योर कोर्स और बीइंग डूइंग एकेडमिकली गुड?
Yeah, it does affect me because I feel like if I even achieve half, not even half, like a quarter of knowledge what my father and my mother have achieved, especially my dad,
Yeah.
I would be on top of the world. To be honest, I would love it. But yes, it does. It creates like a pressure around you. I can't really explain, but it's like
It is a beneficial pressure.
yeah, it is a very beneficial pressure. That is for sure. That like I can't deny that. It creates a certain pressure, you know, like yes, I have a name attached to my name
Right.
that I have to take care of, that I have to respect also, and that I have to portray that yes, I have it in me. That I have to prove it as well. So it does create some pressure, and I feel like it's good.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
It does motivate you.
It does motivate me. It keeps me on my toes actually, and that I really like that.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's a good thing
Yeah.
only. That's a actually pro
That
which
is a
you
pro,
love
yeah.
to have. Right.
And yeah, if I like to learn new things. I like to learn things that keep me on my toes. So I get that from my
Environment.
yeah,
Environment.
this environment actually. Yes.
So you're being pushed actually, but that's also a great thing
That's
and
a-
you admire it.
I really like it. I feel like it should never end.
It should go
Yeah,
on.
it should go on.
Okay, this was a good pro, I thought, because I was actually hesitant to ask these pros things because I thought you are not like, you don't like these kind of things, nah? You don't.
Like ever since I've come to college, everybody keeps asking me the same thing. Like,
Yeah.
you know, how does it feel? And what
I'm
is like,
we are answering it, right?
Yeah.
Please watch it and don't ask this question again to her, please.
it feels good. It's not like anything that I don't want.
Yeah. True.
I like
This is called a kind of gift you have got, and
it's like जो मतलब कहते हैं ना जो नसीब में होता है वही होना होता है.
yeah.
हाँ, जो लिखा है वही. So हाँ, मतलब अच्छी बात है. मतलब मेरे को घर पे रहने के लिए मिलता है, घर का खाना मिलता है, दिन भर मम्मी पापा के साथ स्पेंड करने मिलता है. So it's a good thing.
Right. Okay. And okay, next is like since you said that you came to this college when you was in second or third, second class.
Second grade.
Yeah. So इतना टाइम तुम इस कॉलेज के एनवायरमेंट से फ्रेंडली रही हो तो like does it make things easier for you in any way?
Yeah, of course it makes things easier because I know the place, I know people, I know how certain people behave and
Perception of people.
हाँ, कि पता है ये ऐसे ही है और इनके साथ ऐसे ही चीजें करनी है तभी फायदा है.
मतलब ये ऐसे होगा, you can't change
या
it.
यू कांट चेंज. मतलब लोग कॉलेज में आने के बाद उनको टाइम लगता है समझने के लिए चीजें कि ये प्रोफेसर ऐसे है, ये चीजें ऐसी होती है, इस कॉलेज में ऐसा ऐसा होता है.
Right.
But हाँ, I always knew these things. Yes, I know this will work only this way.
Right.
This won't work my way. I have to shift paths if I want to get things done.
Right.
So I know that. So हाँ, वो advantage था.
मतलब हाँ, obviously
I
environment
know the
friendly.
place. हाँ, I know the place.
Right. And obviously knowing people's like attitude and their behavior before is like a helpful stuff.
It's a great key, I feel like.
Okay. That's a great and like smart answer. One answer I liked it. Okay. So Shra, I think this would be considered in cons, and I want to start it like this way, like having your parents constantly in like around you. That obviously that makes your professional life maybe a bit good, a bit good. But does it like affect your personal life somewhere? Like, do you have to be conscious all that? You have mentioned it already. Like, you are conscious all the time. People watch you all the
Yeah,
time.
not really conscious, but now that I've become used to.
Right.
I completed question.
And that was my question only. Like, does it affect your personal life and you are conscious all the time?
Yes, it does affect. To be honest, to be very honest, now that I'm here, I'll speak the truth. They're like no sugarcoating and stuff. It does affect things, People have assumptions about me that I might be like this, that
I should be this.
I should be this, or or like I have certain things, like I have. Probably some people assume that I might have ego, a lot of ego.
Yeah.
But हाँ, तो लोग ऐसे assumptions लेके चलते हैं काफी कि हाँ इनका तो क्या ही है, इनके पास सभी है, तो इनको करना ही क्या है, लाइक अचीव ही करना क्या है. तो हाँ, और पर्सनल लाइफ में तो बैरियर एज इन इतना बैरियर कुछ नहीं आता, बट आई हैव टू लाइक there's like very few people, as I mentioned, who I can talk to openly. Like उनको सब चीजें सबके साथ ऐसा freely बात कर नहीं सकती मैं. वो होता है, वो एक बैरियर है.
Right,
हाँ.
you can't open up to anybody.
तो हाँ, और काफी टाइम लगता है, मतलब
बॉन्ड बनाने में, आइस ब्रेक करने में.
हाँ, टाइम लगा है, बहुत टाइम लगा है. तो
लाइक ये तुम्हें जो टाइम लगता है, जो तुम बोले कि तुम्हें इतना जल्दी ओपन अप होना नहीं सही लगता, तो ये तुम्हारे पहले से ही था ट्रेड, है तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस हुआ जिसकी वजह से तुम्हें लगा कि आई शुडंट बी लाइक?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. मैं पहले से ही, मेरे को आई लाइक थिंग्स स्लो, एज आई मेंशन. so I take my time.
Okay. So it's the way of your life.
Yeah.
It has always been like that.
I take time to open up things.
Right.
हाँ, पेन होने की वजह से थोड़ा ये तो हाँ, मतलब कॉलेज लाइफ इतने अच्छे से एंजॉय नहीं हो पाता, बट हाँ ठीक है.
हाँ, मतलब उसके प्रोस तो है ही ऑब्वियसली, बट वो ये एक मेरे को पर्सनली भी फील हुआ है, इसलिए मैंने क्वेश्चन पुट अप किया. कि इसके ये मतलब होता है ना, अब हमारे पेरेंट्स नहीं है तो हम लोग कुछ चीजें ऐसी भी अपने आसपास बंद कर पाते हैं सबकॉन्शियसली. हमें सोचना नहीं पड़ता, बट जस्ट बिकॉज यू हैव योर पेरेंट्स, और अगर तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स भी आसपास नहीं है बट कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो उनसे रिलेटेड है, वो आसपास है, तो दैट ऑल्सो मेक्स डिफरेंस.
दैट इट्स लाइक कहाँ भी जाओ आपको yes it's like a 24/7 camera, it's on me. It doesn't really matter. I'm getting used to it now that मतलब हाँ, आदत सी हो गई है. अभी तो 4.5 साल हो ही गए.
जब शुरू में आए थे तब कितना एडजस्टमेंट डिफिकल्ट था ये?
एडजस्टमेंट डिफिकल्ट.
और तुम्हारे लिए तो तुमने बोला ना कि पहले तो तुम सिर्फ उनकी बेटी थी तो तुम्हें बस एक पैम्परिंग मिलती थी, बट एकदम से तुम स्टूडेंट बन गई थी, तो वो एक ट्रांजिशन तुमने कैसे लाइक डील किया? हाउ डिड यू डील दैट?
हाँ, अलग तो लगता था शुरू में कि हाँ, ऐसा लगता था कि मतलब कॉलेज में भी कोई और चुन लेना चाहिए था, ऐसे शुरुआत में लगता था. बट आई थिंक अभी तो कुछ नहीं लगता. अभी आई फील लाइक it is one of the greatest decisions that I have made, that I've picked out this college.
Oh, so are you choosing? Okay? Let me ask this too. Are you choosing to get into PG and also like this college? Would you like to, if you were to get this option?
This is a very difficult question.
You haven't even thought on it.
There are like, I would like to come here for my post graduation, but I also want to explore other options that are better, I feel, and I would prefer those other options rather than this, to be honest.
But our college is like great in
studies. Good, okay. Our college is really good. They make the ICR toppers. They have good kids. Okay, it's not like academics is good. Clinical practice is also good. There's no doubt on that. Okay, it's one of the best colleges in the university. But I would love to explore other options, to be honest.
Okay.
सारा जीवन मतलब 7.5 साल यही पे नहीं निकालना है, 5.5 निकाल दिए.
5.5 भी कहा तुम्हारे, तो पीछे के भी बहुत सारे आगे निकले हैं.
पीछे के भी गिने तो बहुत निकले हैं. तो आई थिंक 2 साल बाहर जाना चाहिए, अच्छा लगेगा.
Yeah, true.
घर से दूर भी रहना चाहिए, मतलब मैं पहले रह चुकी हूँ। काफी लोग ऐसे भी सोचते हैं कि मेरे को घर से दूर रह पाऊंगी
To be
मैं।
mentioned,
Yeah.
is considered to be a homesick kid, and please elaborate on that.
Yeah, people assume that I'm a homesick kid. I like staying at home. Again, everybody does.
Yeah.
That's not something to be different about. But हाँ, लोग तो ऐसे बेट भी लगा रहे हैं कि मैं मतलब कितने दिन रह पाऊंगी घर से बाहर इंटर्नशिप
Internship.
या
Right.
तो नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। मैं पहले भी रह चुकी हूँ बाहर, तो हाँ, इतना कुछ डिफिकल्ट नहीं होना चाहिए।
नहीं नहीं, हम लोग साथ में होंगे ना सब.
दिखता है।
There would be fun too, guys.
Yeah.
Don't worry. We'll make it happen.
ऐसे कुछ नहीं है, रह तो सकते हैं, बस ऐसी है कि आदत सी पड़ी है तो वो टूट जा सकती है आदत है।
नहीं मतलब अगर आप रह पा रही हो तुम घर पे तो तुम क्यों नहीं रहोगे? Obviously we'll
हाँ।
choose that option.
ऑप्शन अच्छा है तो वही चूज करेंगे of course.
Always. So guys, we are looking forward to see Shreya Mishram in another college of Moxie.
Yeah. Hopefully, if I get a good score in ICR.
Yeah, working hard on it. Okay, so Shreya, let me know. Like this can be the last question of this
Yeah.
this segment. I'll ask you, how is like your parent like kid relationship out of like this professional
out of this
sphere?
professional-
How do you manage to keep it professionally and personally different? How do you manage to be a teacher and a kid one time, and a parent and a kid another time, like your parents? How do
Okay.
they do it?
So my parents, they are very open-minded to things. Okay,
Sure.
but they know they have always kept a balance about things.
Mm.
Okay, it's never like they always tell me to stay on the ground level. Like don't they tell me like not to take advantage of things
Mm.
because it's not gonna work out like that.
Right.
Yeah, so they've always told me this,
Mm.
and they'll keep, I think, telling me this also in the future also. Stay on the ground level.
Right.
And जितना भी मैंने सीखा है वो उनसे ही सीखा है. So
बिल्कुल.
हाँ, और प्रोफेशनल रही बात तो हमारे फैमिली में सारे ही, मतलब मम्मी भी वेटरनरियन है, पापा भी वेटरनरियन है, हम भी बन रहे हैं होपफुली.
Yeah.
तो हाँ, मतलब घर पे तो ऐसी बातें नहीं होती किसी चीज की, बट हाँ, जब हम गाड़ी में घर जाते हैं तो पेशेंट के कॉल आते रहते हैं पापा को, लाइक ये करना है, वो करना है, ऐसे करना है, तो उनके बारे में तो बात ही होते ही रहती है कि ये कैसे ऐसे हुआ, वो केस ऐसे हुआ. बट आई थिंक घर जाने के बाद ऐसी कुछ बातें नहीं होती. जैसे लोग मतलब ऑफिस के बाद ज्यादा बातें नहीं होती, घर जाने के बाद तो हम हमारी बातें करते रहते हैं.
मतलब एक स्विच कैसे मतलब हो पाता है? या तो इतने साल की तुम लोग की प्रैक्टिस की वजह से होता है?
वो तो ऐसा है कि गाड़ी में जाने तक, घर जाने तक हम आई थिंक 1 घंटे का ट्रैवल है हमारा, तो तब हम सारी बातें कर लेते हैं कॉलेज के बारे में या फिर किसी भी चीज के बारे में, और फिर घर जाने के बाद आई थिंक वो ऑटोमेटिकली स्विच ऑफ और ऑन जैसा रहता ना, वो हो जाता है.
और आ जाता है क्योंकि वहाँ घर का और होता है
तो फिर बातें ही नहीं निकलती, फिर ऐसी ही बातें करते रहते हैं.
ओके, तो मतलब वो एक
हाँ, बट
एनवायरनमेंट की वजह से भी
ये है कि प्रोफेशनल लाइफ और पर्सनल बहुत अलग रखी है पहले से भी, स्टार्टिंग से, और वैसे ही होना चाहिए एक्चुअली.
हाँ ऑब्वियसली. और सिंस सर और मैम मतलब ऐसे इतना एक्सपीरियंस्ड है इस फील्ड में, सो ऑब्वियसली उनके लिए उतना मुश्किल भी नहीं होगा. But okay, Shreya, so I hope we have discussed most of
Every aspect
most of the main aspects of like being a nepo kid.
Yeah,
Can we say that?
I think we can.
We can.
Second generation तो कह ही सकते हैं, है ना?
Yeah. So, but obviously, like an nepo kid, she also has her own struggles, guys. Come on.
I have a lot of struggle.
Yeah, she has more cons to say, and I love to, like, if you want to say to people anything like the cons on the cons portion, like you said that people expect a lot from me. You should say those things. I
मेरे
believe.
को तो मतलब मेरे को ऐसे कुछ नहीं कहना, हमें बस इतना कहना है कि आपको हमारी जगह आप रख के देखो और एक बार सोच लो बस, फिर आपको खुद ही समझ में आएगा कि कैसे चीजें होती है और कैसे क्या होता है. और इतने जितने ऐसे बोलते हैं ना लोग कि बहुत फायदे हैं, ऐसे हैं वैसे हैं, तो आप खुद भी एक बार सोच के देखिए, ऐसे ज्यादा फायदे तो मेरे को नहीं दिखते हैं,
नुकसान भी है.
नुकसान बहुत ज्यादा है.
एक कांस्टेंट बर्डन रहना, प्रेशर रहना कि अच्छा करना है.
वैसे तो कुछ नहीं है, मतलब प्रेशर वगैरह तो कुछ नहीं है. लाइक मेरे मम्मी पापा कभी बोलते नहीं मेरे को
बोलता नहीं है ना कुछ, पर्सनली आ जाता है खुद पे.
हाँ वो पर्सनली तो आता है, मेरे पास है वो।
हाँ।
हाँ बट मेरे मम्मी पापा ऐसे कोई बोलते नहीं है कि मतलब पढ़ाई करो, ऐसे यही करो वही करो। दे आर वेरी ओपन, लाइक
चिल्ड्रन।
या काफी चिल है। मतलब अभी कॉलेज में लगता नहीं होगा कि काफी चिल है, बट हाँ
नहीं लगता है, सर को देख के तो
काफी
बिल्कुल
चिल
लगता है।
है। मतलब दोनों मम्मी पापा भी काफी चिल है, और ऐसे मतलब किसी चीज का बंधन नहीं डाले, Like, ये करो मत वो करो बस।
Obviously, they're
हाँ,
parents too, ना? They can't be teacher
हाँ,
all the time.
सब चीजें, हाँ मतलब काफी ओपन हैंड दिया है उन्होंने सब चीजों में।
Right.
बिल्कुल।
Okay. So obviously, guys, this can be hard to teach someone all the time about one thing when you're not known to their struggle of that same thing.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So obviously, हर चीज के pros होते हैं तो cons भी होते हैं. Hopefully,
बैलेंस आई थिंक होना चाहिए।
exactly. And I think you are balancing it good, Shreya. You're super grounded and you never bring that on.
Thank
Only
you
people
so
do that.
much.
Only
Thank
people
you.
do that. That's true. We can feel that. Okay, so switching to some relaxed segment, please. This was
काफी टेंस था।
tense
हाँ,
one, yeah.
क्या
सच
बोले
में
क्या ना
tense.
बोले।
वही और वो भी constant सोचना कि
हाँ।
कुछ भी ऐसा वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए,
हाँ,
जो है
गलत
वही
ना।
बात हो. That's true. So अब अपने इजी नोट पे लेके जाते हैं. You guys, we are both debate partners for 2
Yes.
years, and we have been
Actually winning, yeah, I should brag about this. We should brag about
of
it. I
course,
think,
that's
yeah.
a topic to brag.
Winning, yeah.
We are
Yeah.
debate partners, and we have been consecutively winning the.
I think we never lost.
Okay.
Every debate that we do, we have won. Yes.
Yeah. So our college is organizing this gathering thing in which debate competition is like a segment in that
Literature event.
लिटरेचर इवेंट्स के अंदर. तो उसमें मैं और श्रेया हमारे बैच को हर बार जितवा रहे हैं. लाइक वी आर अनबीटेबल. So the unbeatables want to ask the question that Shreya, like I have seen you debating.
Okay.
Everybody has,
Everybody
and
has.
yeah,
Yeah.
obviously. And since we win, that obviously means we are good at it, right? But जब हम like when I see you like in नॉर्मली जब मैं तुम्हें देखती हूँ विदाउट डिबेट कंपटीशन, तो तुम बहुत ऐसे काम कंपोज एंड अवॉइडिंग आर्ग्यूमेंट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन हो. सो हाउ डू यू ब्रिंग लाइक दैट थिंग ऑफ लाइक मेकिंग गुड आर्ग्यूमेंट्स ऑन द स्टेज व्हेन यू आर डिबेटिंग, एंड हाउ डू यू कीप इट आउट ऑफ प्लेस व्हेन यू आर लाइक ऑफ द स्टेज?
I think
हाउ डू यू मेंटेन दैट? आई एम नॉट लाइक दैट.
arguing is actually very easy. I feel like सबको आर्ग्यू करना, सबको बहस करना तो आता ही है.
हाँ.
ऐसे कोई नहीं कि बहस करना जिसको आता नहीं है.
ओके, ठीक है.
मेरे हिसाब से मुझे ऐसा लगता है. बट हाँ मतलब आई थिंक डिबेटिंग इज लाइक अ गेम ऑफ वर्ड्स. आई फील एंड लाइक
द राइट वर्ड,
द राइट वर्ड्स, द राइट टोन एंड द थिंग दैट हिट्स द अपोजिट टीम. दैट एंड टाइमिंग बहुत जरूरी है. हाँ, और शब्द का खेल कह सकते हैं वो.
हाँ, मतलब कि उस लिमिटेड टाइम में हमें 5 मिनट का टाइम दिया जाता है ना, उसमें आप सही वर्ड क्या हिट करते हो जिसके सामने वाले के पास आंसर ना हो.
हाँ,
दैट इज द गेम.
हाँ,
ओके.
वो आई थिंक, हाँ वो आई can think those words very fast, I assume. And and I do things really good when I'm under pressure. That is one aspect to it. Okay. Even हर एस्पेक्ट में मेरा वैसा ही है. ऐसा अंडर प्रेशर काफी लोग फंबल होते हैं या फिर भूल जाते हैं, जैसे वाइवा में होता है. मेरा वैसा नहीं है. मेरा अंडर प्रेशर आई perform excellently. I don't know what it is.
Oh my god.
It has been a pros part for me up till now. It can become a con also.
Yeah. No, I don't think it will become a con anytime.
So, but, under pressure, I think very fast. Yeah. So,
no, I'm bad at it. मैं प्रेशर में बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं कर पाती.
अगर लाइफ में देखा जाए तो I don't like arguments. I like normally. हाँ, normally मेरे को पसंद नहीं आता बहस करना किसी के बारे में. मैं वो चीजें सॉर्ट करना भी इतना पसंद नहीं आता. हाँ, अगर मतलब कैसे बताऊं मैं, मतलब अगर कुछ आर्ग्यूमेंट हुई तो गुस्सा आता है, ऑफ कोर्स आता है, गुस्सा भी आता है, और अगर गुस्सा आया तो रोना भी आता है अगर चीज अफेक्ट कर रही है उसका. तो हाँ, और फिर थोड़ी देर मैं अपने जोन में चली जाती हूँ. फिर तो मेरे को थोड़ी देर बाद मन करता है कि हाँ बात क्लियर कर ले. जब मन करता है तब क्लियर करते हो बस. हाँ.
मतलब अपना टाइम लेती हो तुम?
अपना टाइम लेती हूँ मैं सोचने का, विचार करने का।
और तुम इतना
हाँ।
लॉन्ग जर्नी ऑफ स्ट्रेस खुद को देना पसंद नहीं करती, इसलिए तुम आर्ग्यूमेंट्स अवॉइड करती हो नॉर्मली?
आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, हाँ मतलब मेरे को पसंद नहीं है कि मेरे से कोई ऊंची आवाज में बात करे या बहस करे, मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता, टू बी ऑनेस्ट।
So you don't-
हाँ, मेरे को अफेक्ट करता है चीजों का। आई वॉन्ट टू से दैट आई एम इमोशनल पर्सन, या
Right.
दो आई डोंट लाइक दिस पार्ट अबाउट मी, बट हाँ काफी हद तक मेरे में बहुत इमोशंस है, इमोशंस थोड़े ज्यादा है।
हाँ इमोशनल, बट वो भी है ना, मतलब इमोशंस हम सब में भी होते हैं, बट कुछ हमारे हावी हम पे एक टाइम पे होते हैं ना।
हाँ।
जैसे तुम जैसा बोल रही हो, तो तुम आर्ग्यूमेंट्स अवॉइड करती हो, मतलब नहीं उतना करना पसंद, क्योंकि उसके बाद का जो स्ट्रेस है वो यू डोंट वांट टू टेक।
आई थिंक, बट हाँ आई कैन, मतलब मेरे को इमोशन कंट्रोल करना भी सीख रहे हैं, तो आ रहा है वो धीरे धीरे।
ऑब्वियसली।
हाँ, तो हाँ नहीं पसंद है ऐसा लड़ाई करना किसी से। अगर
Okay.
किस चीज का नहीं, अगर मतलब किसी चीज नहीं पट नहीं है, कोई चीज समझ नहीं आ रही है, तो आई लीव इट देयर।
ओके। ओपिनियनेटेड फाइट यू डोंट?
हाँ मतलब असल जीवन में नहीं पसंद है। मतलब हाँ कि वही है कि क्या करे बहस करके, पता ही है ना कि वो सामने वाला आदमी नहीं सुनने वाला।
हाँ एक आदमी
क्यों क्यों ही पीटना अपना सर किसी दीवार पे, that's what I feel.
दैट्स ट्रू।
अगर समझा सकते हो तो समझा दो, प्यार से समझा दो,
या फिर टाइम दो।
हाँ
ये भी
हाँ, टाइम से तो बहुत चीजें बदल जाती है।
ऑब्वियसली। और ओपिनियन किसी को चेंज करना इज नॉट
हाँ, it's not a task. I have learned that very nicely this year, I feel.
या बट हाँ ट्रू। आयरन ओके।
काफी
और
मुश्किल।
हाँ काफी बहुत मुश्किल है, बट मतलब वही चीज को तुम फिर स्टेज पे अच्छे से कर पाती हो, मतलब अपन एज अ टीम अच्छा कर लेते हैं।
So this, I am a Gemini
ओके।
personality.
डज इट हैव टू डू समथिंग विद सनशाइन?
I don't know, okay, but I feel like it's a good explanation for things that I
That
can't
is-
really explain. Yeah, so it is a good explanation for things. हाँ, so Gemini has like weird personality, yeah, like this and that. So I feel like I am really good at flipping at those two. So
ओके
some things which I can't explain, I just blame it on my sunshine.
ओके, but that's a like good switch I believe you have, like you can avoid
हाँ,
argument in
yeah,
real life,
yeah,
and you can choose to do them
I can
nicely.
switch very fast. Yeah,
That's great.
that's yeah. But हाँ, स्टेज पे आर्ग्यू करना, मतलब डिबेट्स वगैरह में काफी अच्छे लगते हैं। It gives like this.
Love it. It's great.
Added
I believe अपन को थोड़ा चांसेस भी मिलने चाहिए थे, you know. हमें भी पता लगता कि हमें कोई बीट कर पाए फिर आगे, या नहीं कर पाए।
हाँ,
अब तो एक सस्पेंस ही रह जाएगा।
अब तक तो नहीं हुआ है, होगा भी नहीं मुझसे।
अब तो गाड़ी हो। Okay, so let's know about since we have discussed a little bit about this, that you are a homesick kid, and like have you always been like this, or since you haven't lived far from home for so long, so you don't really know that you are homesick or not? What is like?
Yeah, so it's, I have lived away from home, but I've only lived away for 6-7 months, so I guess that doesn't really count. Aside, but homesick, yeah, like I would say that I'm homesick. Yeah. And preferably, मतलब मैं ऑप्शन भी वैसे ही ढूंढूंगी जो मेरे घर के पास हो। Of course, that is a major deciding factor for me. घर के पास होना चाहिए, ज्यादा दूर नहीं जा सकती मैं।
Okay.
हाँ, so हाँ, और मतलब मेरा रिलेशनशिप जो मेरे पेरेंट्स के साथ है ना, वो काफी ओपन रहा है। मतलब कुछ भी हुआ, अगर छोटी चीज हुई दिन भर में, आई टेल माई पेरेंट्स, मतलब दोनों, मम्मी भी पापा भी, मैक्स टू मैक्स सभी चीजें तो
So
मम्मी को
over
पता
the
ही है।
year वो रिलेशन पेरेंट्स से थोड़ा फ्रेंडशिप में भी बहुत
हाँ,
हुई होगी
हाँ,
maybe.
और हाँ भाई के साथ भी वैसा ही है।
हाँ.
तो हाँ, लाइक हर चीज उनको पता है,
Okay.
ऐसे कुछ छुपाया नहीं है।
तो तुम्हारा होमसिक होने की वजह से, और तुम्हारा जस्ट बिकॉज बीइंग कनेक्टेड
हाँ.
टू योर पेरेंट्स एंड योर ब्रदर, डज इट लाइक हैज अफेक्टेड योर फ्रेंडशिप्स आउट ऑफ योर होम? मतलब क्या तुम्हें ऐसा रिक्वायरमेंट, मतलब जस्ट बिकॉज तुम्हारे घर पे उस टाइप के बॉन्डिंग रहे हैं, तो तुम्हें ऐसा फील हुआ है कभी कि मुझे ज्यादा फ्रेंड्स की जरूरत भी नहीं है?
नहीं, nothing like that. I've always been selective when I'm selecting my friends, I would say.
Okay.
Like, हाँ, मैं किसी से भी बात कर सकती हूँ ऐसे, ओ मतलब अगर मेरे को बोला जाए तो.
Right. You're not introvert.
Depends on the situation. This is another thing. This
Okay.
is another topic.
Okay, let's drop
हाँ.
it.
तो हाँ, बात करने के लिए कर सकते हो, बट हाँ, मेरे को स्मॉल सर्कल रखना पसंद है. ऐसे नहीं कि सभी के साथ.
ग्रुप्स नहीं बड़े बड़े चाहिए।
मतलब बड़ा ग्रुप क्या ही करना, मतलब आपके लिए एंड में तो रहते ही 6-7 लोग ही रहना आपके पास.
6-7 से ज्यादा बोल रही हूँ मैं।
6-7 तो है यार.
हाँ अभी तो है खैर, बट नॉर्मली लाइक इन
हाँ.
कॉलेज लाइफ से होता है सब बोल।
हाँ, बस जितना.
अच्छा मतलब ज्यादा फ्रेंड्स ना तुम्हें रखने पसंद है और ना तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है कि जरूरत है, सो यू हैव
रखने
ऑलवेज
पसंद नहीं, मतलब हाँ, आई हैव लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. आई वाज रियली सोशल व्हेन आई वाज इन 8, 9, 10, 11.
ओके।
हाँ, आफ्टर दैट आई बिकेम सिलेक्टिव, आई गेस. हाँ.
Was it incidental or?
No, nothing like that. It's a gradual
So you had great friendship at all,
Yeah.
overall.
हाँ, जितने भी बचपन से दोस्त रहे ना, वो सब अच्छे ही रहे.
Okay.
हाँ, कभी ऐसा कुछ ये नहीं हुआ है, मतलब नोक झोंक या बेसिक तो होता ही रहता है, बट ऐसे कुछ मतलब
बड़ी कोई
हाँ,
जैसे
हाँ,
heartbreaks and all,
हाँ.
friendship breakup type
वैसे कुछ नहीं. मतलब लकीली टचवुड.
Yeah, that's the thing to say that.
हाँ, काफी हद तक मेरे को अच्छे ही लोग मिले हैं. मतलब जितने भी मिले हैं ना, सब अच्छे ही मिले हैं. तो हाँ, आई गेस इट्स सिलेक्टिव ओनली.
Okay. So do you have like that kind of sight to recognize the right friend for you?
आई थिंक जिनके साथ वाइब मैच करे, जिनके
So
साथ
it's the vibe, not the sight.
बात करने का मन करे.
मजा आए बात करके।
हाँ, मतलब जो जिनको पता है ना, उनको पता है कि मैं बहुत बात करती हूँ. अगर एक बार मैंने मेरी बातें चालू की तो फिर से हाँ, जिनके साथ अच्छा लगे बात करना.
हाँ, और जिनके साथ बात करके ऐसा फील ना हो कि यार ये गलत बोल दिया।
हाँ, मतलब डर ना लगे किसी चीज का बताने
Open
के
up होने
लिए.
पे।
हाँ, कि मतलब हाँ, ये बताया तो ऐसा होगा, ये बताया तो ऐसा, वैसे नहीं. हाँ, मतलब सीधी बात करते हैं, जो मन में है वही जबान पे है, वैसे.
Okay. So you have friends at home as well as out of your home.
Yeah, that's true. I have friends at home and out.
Okay, great. And maybe यही एक रीजन भी है कि तुम थोड़ा होम से कंसिडर की जाती हो इसी वजह से ना, क्योंकि you don't feel like going home being with your parents. You were just going with your friends only and parents.
हाँ, मतलब हाँ, अच्छा लगता है मेरे को घर पे.
Okay.
It's like a safe place.
True.
It's like a cocoon में रहता है ना. वो वैसे.
Protected.
Yes.
Right. Protected and heard.
From all angles.
Yes. Okay, but then that's a great thing कि तुम्हें अपना टाइम मिल पाया इतना पेरेंट्स के साथ
हाँ,
रहने के लिए. That's really a lucky
That
thing.
is true.
I really agree to it. क्योंकि मतलब ऑब्वियसली मेरे साथ भी अगर ऐसा होता, मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती, मैं भी यही ऑप्ट करती. इसमें कोई दूसरी बात है ही नहीं. अपने पेरेंट्स के आसपास रहना किसको नहीं पसंद. ऑब्वियसली एवरीबडी लव्स टू डू इट. Okay, so Shreya, moving on to the almost the end of this segment. Since it's New Year, so let's know your New Year resolution.
Yeah. ऐसे कोई खास से रेजोल्यूशंस नहीं है.
हाँ मतलब ठीक है.
हाँ, मेरा तो विश्वास भी नहीं है न्यू ईयर बर्थडेज में.
Okay.
ठीक है.
बर्थडे
में भी मेरा विश्वास नहीं है. I feel like it's just another day.
Okay.
I cry on my birthdays. I am that kind of.
You cry on your
I
birthday?
cry on my birthdays. I'm that kind of a girl.
Why do you cry on your birthday, bro? Do you expect somebody's wish who doesn't wish you?
No,
Him or her?
no, nothing like that.
Then what is it?
जिनके विश चाहिए उनके आते रहते हैं.
तो
ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है.
तो फिर why do you cry on your birthday, bro?
हाँ, I do cry on my birthdays. I don't know why. It's a different thing every year.
Like nowhere you just start to cry.
No. It hits after like I think the afternoon period. Yeah, it starts hitting. Especially जब मतलब बाहर जाना होता है.
हाँ.
बर्थडे के like dinner के लिए या
हाँ.
दोस्तों के साथ तब yeah, it starts to hit I don't know why. I think it's the fear of getting old. I don't want to say that.
Oh my god, that's a deep thing to
Yeah.
say.
I think everybody does.
No,
Yeah.
no, but I never
Okay,
cry.
some people just hide it. I don't. Yeah, I do cry on my birthday.
No, but this is really something weird thing I have heard from somebody.
I do cry on my birthday.
But why do you cry on your birthday? Like that's the most special day. We get so much attention on that day. We don't have time to cry, bro. How do you-
Attention तो मतलब 365 days में मिलता है, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है.
Oh, man.
Attention की कोई बात नहीं, but wait, I don't know. I think it's the fear of getting old. I don't know. I don't
Yeah,
want to
that-
say that. I don't know what. I think it just hits on that day really bad.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. I
Yeah.
also on my birthday it recently went, so I also wrote a blog like turning 25 kind of. So I was like, I wrote all the bad things in that,
Yeah.
all the negative things that this is hard. I can't be child anymore.
And I am that kind of person who thinks about the negatives first instead of the positives.
Okay.
Okay, so I want like the what max bad thing that's gonna happen, I'll put it up first. And then at the end I'll see the positive thing. So I'm that sort of person.
That's also
Yeah.
a good way to like
Yeah.
consider things, right? At the end, you are like positive only.
Huh.
That's what matters.
Yeah.
Okay, so you cry on your birthday and you don't believe in resolution.
New Year resolutions can be expected.
Yeah, New Year resolutions. Yeah, I also think that's a bit of overhyped stuff. But I think starting a year brings, freshness a lot of into us. It's every day. It's every day we can we can think that way. But I don't know. That's a mentality that one
Huh.
to changing of
change
year, that date,
Yeah.
flipping of date, and that new calendar and stuff that brings a different kind of energy inside us, maybe. So that is what.
This New Year I slept, I think. I slept at 10. Okay, we had an exam tomorrow.
Yeah,
the day,
next day.
on the 1st.
Uh,
So I slept at 10 and I
it
woke
started
up at,
super bad. Yeah, we had a
I-
bad exam.
I woke up at I think 7. So I don't think I even celebrated New Year's. But the exam went good, so
Yeah, we
Yeah.
know nobody celebrated this New Year, at least in our batch, at least. Okay, so okay, let's not put it this term resolution, but let's decide how you want your 2025 to be. You can say like that.
that I can say. I want to figure out what I like and what I don't.
Mm.
So like eliminating things is my way to find out what I like
Okay.
rather than just picking stuff.
Oh, so you want to know your way throughout the.
I want to decide what I like. I want to decide what I want to do my master's in.
Okay.
That's the first priority.
Okay.
And second would be, I think I want to learn something,
Some skill.
not exactly some skill,
Then.
like something that I feel calm in. Like
Okay. Something distressing kind of stuff.
Yeah, something that I can do anytime and I just can like feel
And
calm. Yeah. Recently I started like walking.
Yeah, that's a good thing. Walking.
Yes.
That's
So-
health wise, that's good, and that's also good mentally.
Like recently I started enjoying that.
Right.
Okay. I never really
You're not a
liked it.
walking
Yeah,
person.
I never really liked. I am like a stay at home and binge watch some shows. I'm that kind of person. But recently I started doing that and I really liked it. So now if I have like any doubt or like anything that bothers me, I just go for a walk. And it does really help.
So do you get some clarity after that?
I get a lot.
Do you?
Yes. I don't know what it is. I have recently started enjoying it. I was never like that. What influence it is, I don't know.
But that's a good thing, If it's helping you, it's great.
Huh.
But actually, with me, what happens, I usually go on walks when I want to ignore something, When I have a bush inside my head going on something, and I want to, like, if I keep on sitting in my room and thinking about that, I'll have a headache at the end. So I decides to go downstairs, put my earphones on. I either go for a podcast or some music.
No,
I forget that.
I like don't listen to any music or anything. Just like aimlessly wander.
Oh, so
हाँ.
you like to like analyze that situation purposely.
मतलब अच्छा
I
लगता है
want
ऐसे
to
बस चलते जाओ.
हाँ, अच्छा तो लगता है. That's a good therapy. Walking is recommended.
तो ऐसी और चीजें ढूंढनी है जो करके like अच्छा लगे.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's discuss, since you just mentioned that you want to have some clarity about some of the things, you want to eliminate some of them. So, I want to know this personally too, that when you're confused and when you have so many options, so how do you like decides to eliminate, and how do you know that the option you have eliminated is the right one to eliminate, and you don't require it anymore? How do you like know that? How do you get that clarity? And that too, wait, that too, not for like 2-3 months and stuff, like immediately in like a week or 10 days. Can you do that?
Yeah, I can do that.
How do you do that?
So, firstly, I like list out all of my options that I have in the head, starting from the most vague one out there to at the bottom to like the most priority.
Okay.
आपका लिस्ट में कुछ है अगर तो आपको पता होता है कि मेरे को ये चीज पता है पसंद है और ये थोड़ी सी कम पसंद है.
प्रायोरिटी तो होती है.
तो उस हिसाब से like list करना in your mind only. I don't write things down or I don't type things.
Okay.
It's just in my head. And then सब चीजों के नेगेटिव ही पहले नेगेटिव्स की लिस्ट बनाना is my thing.
Okay.
मेरे को पसंद नहीं आता पॉजिटिव ज्यादा कुछ. हाँ, so I want to like 360 डिग्री उस चीज को देखना कि इसके नेगेटिव्स क्या है. फिर पसंद आने वाली दो या तीन चीजें उस बारे में लिखना, बस मतलब लिखना मतलब सोचना बस, और उसमें से सिलेक्ट करना फिर आपको.
बट डोंट यू थिंक कि ज्यादा नेगेटिव लिखने से तुम उस चीज को ऑलरेडी एलिमिनेट करने की मतलब साइड पे हो, अगर तुम उसके बारे में बहुत नेगेटिव लिख रही हो?
नहीं, सभी चीजों के बारे में नेगेटिव जो भी है वैसे वो आई थिंक rather than like positive thinking about the negative gives me a very clear aspect. पॉजिटिव तो हाँ अच्छी चीज है वो, उससे क्या निकलने वाला है. नेगेटिव से फर्क पड़ेगा ना मेरे को.
ओके.
हाँ.
और जिसमें कम नेगेटिव होंगे दैट वुड बी अ क्वालिटी मे बी.
हाँ, that also, but again it's like the risk that I have in that also matters, right?
मतलब कम नेगेटिव है बट रिस्क ज्यादा है.
हाँ, that also matters.
Okay.
And at the end, I'm thinking that can I do that for like let's say 5 years or 10 years? Is that also I've involved in my like, questionnaire thing.
Long term.
हाँ, can I enjoy it like, for 5 years or 10 years?
That. But how are you so sure at this moment that you would be enjoying that?
I'm not really sure. Okay, I'm not really sure of anything.
Right.
It's just like go with the flow sort of thing, and on the way you just let go of things.
And one thing,
and I am that kind of person. If I really want one thing, I know I'm never gonna get it. I know it. It has happened to me. Okay, it's been happening to me. Like these 23 years, it's always happened. If I like really want this one thing, I'm not gonna get it. I know it. I'll just stop. Like not trying, like putting so much effort into one thing.
Okay.
So I rather distribute my efforts. Like I feel
that's a good way.
Yeah. But people don't think it is. Like they tell you to like
who are these people?
Focus on like one thing. Put all your energy in that.
Yeah, that's the best advice we get actually.
But I don't think that works out for me.
That's fine. We don't have to work on the set marks, we can make our own. Okay, so you get your clarity by eliminating things, by choosing more negatives out of them and seeing if that would help you long term and you won't lose the interest and stuff.
Yep.
Okay, that's a great way. But I believe that if you're enjoying that in like now, you can predict for the next 2 to 3 years, You can tell like, I will be loving it for the next 2 to 3 years. But if you're loving it for 2 to 3 years and you are like not into that much in the next 7 or 6 years, but that's okay now. You can force it on yourself then.
See, even if I don't like certain things and it has been assigned to me, I will do it with my sincere like sincerity.
Okay.
I'll do it with sincerity.
If that's a benefiting thing and you have enjoyed it sometimes.
Yes, I can do it. Like if I'm assigned some work, I don't really like it. I don't really like one subject. But yeah, I will do my work sincerely. That is for sure.
Yeah, that's
even if I don't enjoy it, I will do it. हाँ. तो कभी ऐसा नहीं होगा कि कोई चीज नेग्लेक्ट कर दी या ऐसे. हाँ, अगर करना है तो अच्छी तरीके से ही करना है, वरना नहीं करना। हाँ,
Okay.
इज माई वे ऑफ गोइंग इट। करना है तो अच्छे से करो, वरना फिर करो नहीं, जाने दो।
That's a great
Hmm.
way to deal with things, I believe. Okay, so we hope, Shreya, that you will get your clarity on things in this year, and you
Fingers
will have,
crossed.
obviously, you will have a year 2025 like you have imagined or you want it to be. We hope so. We pray for it. Okay, guys, so that was Shreya Mishram on our podcast, and it was a great, fun podcast. I hope I mostly like asked her the question I was hoping to ask. Yeah, I hope I have done that. And if not, then we have Shreya Mishram with us for one more year. We can always connect again and know more about her. So let me know what you want to know about her. Till then, keep watching Palak Churan, the Unted Talk, and do like, share, and subscribe. Yeah. So thank you so much. Thank you, Shreya, for being on my podcast.
You're welcome.
Being a great, guest who answered everything so much nicely. I thought you would.
Hide something?
No, not hide. I thought you may get hurt about some of the questions,
No,
but
no.
you were so easy going with them. So that made it easier for me to ask you anything. So thank you so much for that.
You're welcome. बुलाते रहेगा हमको।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. I'd love to have you again. So yeah. That's
Bye
all.
bye.
Thank you. Bye.